There are three types of setups that you may come across when dealing with elimination method. The first type is when you have one variable that has opposite coefficients. So for example 1, we can recognize that the y's have a positive 5 and a negative 5, so those are opposites. So then from here we want to add our equations to get the y's to cancel each other out, leaving us with an equation that just has the variable of x. And in doing so, I can solve for x to get x equals 1 in this case. Now to find y, I need to select one of the two equations that I had to begin with. Remember that it does not matter which one you pick. I pick the top one here, and then from there, I plug in what I found for x into that equation for x to help me isolate and find what y is. So in this case, 2 times x becomes 2 times 1, which is 2. And then I solve for y just like we did in our previous examples. That allows me to get y equal to 3. And then when I'm done, I'm going to write my answers in an ordered pair, which would be 1, 3. And this is how I write my final answers. For problem number 2, our x's are opposites of each other. So then from here, I add to cancel out the x's, leaving me with an equation to get y by itself, which gives me negative 2. Then, for this one, I also pick the top one so that I can plug in y and find x. So from subtracting 6 and then dividing both sides by negative 3, that allows me to get x equals negative 1, which gives me the answer of negative 1, negative 2 for my ordered pair. For number 3, my x's once again are opposites of each other. So I add my equations to get y by itself. This gives me the answer of y equals negative 6. From here, I pick the top equation again to plug in the negative 6 in for y. And then I can solve for x by subtracting 30 to both sides and then dividing by 4. This will give me the answer of x equals 4. Which my ordered pair will be 4, negative 6. Talk to you later.